Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, the AMG line with 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, AMG exterior and interior, a black MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, plenty of trunk space, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 17,671 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.